We'll guide you through how to make slow shutter effect in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. Once the clip is positioned on the timeline, you can start applying effects to create the slow shutter look. Go to the Effects panel, which contains various video effects that can be applied to your footage. In the search bar located at the top of the Effects panel, type Echo to quickly find the effect. When the Echo effect appears in the search results, drag it onto the video layer in the timeline to apply it to your clip. After applying the Echo effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust its settings. Scroll down until you find the Echo section, where all the effect parameters are located. Adjust the Echo time value, for example set it to -0.020, to control how the motion trails appear behind moving objects. Then adjust the number of echoes, for example set it to 8, to determine how many trailing frames are visible. Next, adjust the decay value, for example set it to 0.80, to control how quickly the trailing effect fades out. After that, adjust the echo operator, for example change it to maximum, to define how the echoes blend together and create a stronger visual effect. Once you have finished adjusting the echo settings, go back to the Effects panel to apply an additional effect that enhances the slow shutter appearance. In the search bar, type Posterize Time to locate the effect. When it appears in the results, drag the Posterize Time effect onto the video layer in the timeline. This effect helps reduce the frame rate, making the motion appear more stylized and choppy. Next, return to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the Posterize Time settings. Locate the Posterize Time section and adjust the frame rate value. For example, set it to 10, to control how many frames are displayed per second. Lower values will create a more noticeable slow shutter effect. Press Enter on the keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the result and ensure the slow shutter effect looks smooth and visually appealing.